Hi guys, you are back to my channel, BrainTech. Are you having difficulty in using your Bolt app in ordering for new ride in any city you find yourself? This video will play a part in helping you solve that problem. What is Bolt? B-O-L-T. Bolt is an hailing app for ordering of taxis or cars around the world in order to move freely. Bolt has been established in many cities around the world, and your city is not left out. After downloading your Bolt app from the Google Play Store or your Apple's Play Store, commonly known as iPhone, launch the Bolt app. We are waiting for it to open. That's finally open. So you are in the Bolt app. It is asking you, where do you want to go? That is why you are saying where to. Where do you want to go? So what you need to do is type your location. As you can see, the location is captured by Google Map already, so it has come out after typing just UJ. So I'll select it. Do you know why it did not ask me where I am staying or my current location? Why it did not happen that way is because of my settings. I've already done that while I was trying to fill, the registration after downloading the app. I did not show you in this video. So I fill in my location and other important settings. That is why it was able to capture my exact location where I am. So the next thing for you to do is, it has captured your current location and where you are heading to. You click on select bold. When you click on select bold, it will automatically start searching for the nearest or the most available driver for your traveling, for your movement. So that means we have been able to solve this problem with what we have shown you. We believe you understand what was clearly shown here. If you have any question, you can as well drop it in this video by commenting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do well to stick to our previous videos. Thank you for doing this.